Here's how to fix Snapchat camera zoom problem. Now, if you're on Snapchat and the zoom for the selfie camera is off or a bit distorted, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, open up the Snapchat app first, and the first thing we'll do is tap on your profile picture at the top left. From here, we need to get to your settings. So at the top right, tap on the gear icon. And once we're in your settings, you're going to do two different things. The first thing that we're going to do is scroll down from here, and you'll be able to see as you scroll down, we're looking for Lens Studio right under contacts. Tap on that. Now, the first thing we'll do is hit tap to reset and unpair any Lens Studio that you might have. Keep in mind, this sometimes causes the issue with zooming in and out and distorting the camera. So I'm going to hit OK. Everything's been cleared. The second thing that I will do is go back out of here. And from here, you can see midway down is clear data. Let's just tap on clear data here. And again, on here, we're going to clear our lenses. So tap clear lenses and hit clear all lenses and hit clear. Now, after you've done that, the next thing I would recommend doing is closing out of the Snapchat app and going into the settings. From here, all we're going to do is tap on General and then iPhone Storage if you're on an iPhone, or if you're on Android, just navigate to Snapchat. From here, just tap on the Snapchat app and offload the app and reinstall it. This deletes out all of the cache and temporary files. It doesn't log you out, and it force updates it to the latest version. After you've done that, and after it's reinstalled Snapchat, you can open it up and the zoom will be working normally. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.